Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the pipette model and that it is calibrated. This matters because accuracy differs by design. Once confirmed, attach the correct disposable tip firmly and set the target volume using the digital dial. Small adjustments change accuracy. Hold the pipette vertically and depress to the first stop. This compresses the internal spring to the aspiration point. Make sure to position the tip just below the liquid surface before releasing slowly. Doing so minimizes air intake and ensures a precise uptake. Now you aspirate. Immerse the tip about 2 to 3 millimeters below the liquid surface, then release the plunger smoothly and steadily. Jerky motion creates bubbles and volume loss. Once the liquid is drawn, pause 1 full second to let the meniscus stabilize. This reduces variability. When dispensing, touch the tip to the receiving vessel wall at an angle and depress to the second, full displacement stop to expel all liquid. After dispensing, withdraw the tip while the plunger is still depressed to avoid sucking liquid back. To finish, eject the tip into the designated waste and return the plunger to its neutral position so the pipette is ready for the next use. If you observe inconsistent drop sizes or repeated low volumes, run a quick consistency check with water, and if variance exceeds 1%, recalibrate or service the pipette. If you see bubbles during aspiration or leakage at the shaft, make sure the tip is seated fully and inspect O-rings and seals. Replacing the tip and reseating often fixes the issue immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.